Society versus health. Definition: the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not merely absence of disease or infirmity. Types of health: physical health, mental health and social well-being. It's a three dimensions of health. Concept of diseases: communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases and medical conditions. Illness: illness and sickness are generally used as synonymous for disease. However, this term is occasionally used to refer specifically to the patient's personal experience of their disease. What is meant by disease? The term disease broadly refers to any condition that impairs normal functions. What is disorder? In medicine, disorder is a functional abnormality or disturbance. Medical disorders can be categorized into mental disorders, physical disorders, genetic disorders, emotional and behavioral disorders, and functional disorders. Determinants of health: every components of society directly contribute to the health, including individual factors, familial factors, religious factors, educational, community factors, social groups, voluntary and welfare organizations, political factors and environmental factors. Epidemiological triad: a traditional model of infectious disease. Environment, agent, host, three factors. Interplay between agent and host requires environment. Agent factors: biological agent, which is living things, nutrient agent, vitamins and minerals, physical agents, non-living things including air, water, climate, chemical agents, chemicals, mechanical agents, movement, and social agents, every social factors. Is social factors control all other agents? Yes. Social factors can be controlled biological, nutrient, physical, chemical and mechanical agents. Host factors: demographic characteristic, biological characteristics, social and economical characteristic. Environmental factors: physical environment, biological environment and psycho-social environment. Next, we are going to detail about health care. Health care. Levels of health care: primary care level, secondary and tertiary care level. Relationship between sociology and health. Society components: individual, family, religion, education, economic community, groups, welfare organizations, political system, ecosystem. Health, physical health, mental health, and social well-being. The health status have been determined by the social factors. First, we are going to detail about individual and health. The individual biopsychosocial factors such as genetic, neuroendocrinal, personality, attitude, and culture, etc., directly influence or affect health status. For example, some diseases ascribed from generation to generation through genes. Negative attitude towards self causes stress, which leads to physical illness. Family and health. The familial factors such as type of family, culture of family, family norms, family habits, as well as food habits in the family and members in the family influence health status. Example, unhealthy food habits causes diseases. Unstandardized culture leads to communicable as well as non-communicable diseases. Religion and health. Religious elements such as type of religion, belief, worship, and attitude towards religion directly affect or influence health status of people. For example, negative attitude towards religion causes physical, mental illness and social disabilities. Education and health. Educated people experience good health status than illiterate due to educated people having more alerts to diseases. Economic and health. The people who have high economic status experience good health status. They easy to access healthcare services. The people who have low economic status experience poor health status. Occupation and health. Occupational factors such as type of job, position of job, and health and safety in the workplace, etc. For example, occupational hazards causes the diseases. Community and health. The community factors such as type of community and ecology of community directly link with health status of people. Urban people having more health status than rural people due to educational, economic, and availability of healthcare services. Social group and health. The group factors such as type of group, aim of groups, group selectiveness or choosiness, and group dynamics directly influence health status of people. If a person select negative groups, example alcoholic groups, should be experience mental illness, physical illness, and social disability. Welfare and voluntary organization and health. Every voluntary and welfare organizations aim to promote health and education. If society having more welfare organizations should be import health status of people. Political system and health. The government is the pivotal institution to determine health status of people in a nation. The government, healthcare policies and programs aim to promote health and prevent diseases. Hence, government influence to empower physical health, mental health and social well-being. Ecosystem and health. Ecosystem refers to man relates with the environment. The biological, physical and socio-psychological environments. The negative or polluted environments is leading causes of diseases in modern society. Physical health and society. Physical health status determined by society. Physical health largely determined by social factors such as familial, religious, education and economic factors. Unstandardized culture causes physical illness, example food habits. Mental health and society. Cause root of mental illness is social factors. The factors such as familial, religious, educational, economic, political, environmental, etc. Example, negative attitude towards religion or negative belief causes stress, depression and other mental illness. Social health and society. The social well-being always determined by social factors. If a person not fluently interact with every parts of society, leads to range of disabilities such as family disorganization, religious disabilities, economic disabilities, civil disabilities, which directly affect physical health, mental health and social well-being. Thank you. Have a nice day.